Ejatiemie. And you any time yo. Bisufre watiemio. Bisufre watieme. Afe de mapem. Abu. Why then?
Uni ma dey na last time obey no. Ah na nam wiase afana nyina na obi ayo no. Ewiase on. Ewiase on. Ewiase agomia. Ewiase on. Enipa na enipa tie. Enipa na yen hyehyɛ on. Be nyame na ye den. E ma ne bam.
Itu ba just only Maguire compare boy.
Da bibia ni anyanto boase me da me bom pɛ ma no so me captain.
Oyo dey.
Me captain.
Yeah, Abu.
So one say the wiase city.
Hey. But Abu, you see, the context around Harry Maguire's situation there was. Me can say, let me use the right word for the current situation of Harry Maguire deal no. A stalling, a moving Kobebia, a Jinafapo. Now, various people from Manchester G2 say it is a brief from West Ham to push them. Say, Omoben in 10 terms to no Mama Harry Maguire, because West Ham and Yambreso mu replacement. Already, your season na here. And they need replacement as soon as possible. We here center back as soon as possible. Man United, baby, Omujinani said they are supposed to pay Harry Maguire £7 million for severance as a severance fee. To say was some club. And our team are kept here so they are back from cry. Into Manchester United needs to compensate him. No, and Man United bet you free or no. On what to try and at the same time they are looking for replacement before. And some of Harry Maguire call West Ham or Manako. And in this contest, you are only delaying this particular deal between these two sides. Say, Man United fair West Ham catch almost say, Yane Harry Maguire and Temuno, Ye, Mombe Fanen Qua, West Ham Besaba back, no more be complete BB, and the Harry Maguire day. Echo. Then Manchester United so ain't me and Qua, they will need to make sure say they keep an unhappy player who is going to operate with an unhappy coach and an unperson player on a bad day. A better. They need to move as fast as possible as they can to make sure. And yes, sir, West Ham will move in for other targets. Or Masha say inquiries. Abu, West Ham Masha say inquiries into different players they will have to bring in to make sure say on bit my baby replacing no. Then Romeo Lavia. Abu Chelsea are confirming Caicedo na then round. They are moving to Lavia so completing the deal in the way. But if you say there was no agreement between Southampton and Liverpool and
Zana BB
there was no agreement between Southampton and Liverpool a year and what happened was Liverpool a call back after say Omo any Southampton deal come for 2 weeks. And Omujina £46 million. Omo call back come with Southampton for they say Romeo Lavia 170 say bi mama wi ana. Emuna na Romeo Lavia catch Southampton, I catch Chelsea for, I catch the agency ni say Chelsea are no be obebo. Liverpool takes asem na in order to prevent somebody agree a fee with Southampton no, and they stepped back. It is see and Chelsea and Southampton didn't come on and yes £60 million so they say the city won they say as the base fee about £50 million then no man discuss say Adams Kakra at the account the Romeo Lavia is going to play for Air Chelsea. Nabu, the reason behind Lavia moving to Air Chelsea ni nipa bako Joe Schultz no Manchester City. Or no, and the born home when one Chelsea did Lavia and Manchester City did Lavia about Manchester City. Of course, Southampton, no. I was pushy Yama Romeo Lavia every Manchester City year day, ever Southampton. And then, on one Sakako Piemu, away Chelsea to no, and a such a pushy, say Romeo Lavia, Emra, boy na Jatum, so Baby Siakai, Ediama, a Chelsea team, no, a free and Elko Itiabu. Young Kwanko see the next 48 hours. Yabu say Romeo Lavia, ever joining Air Chelsea officially. Chelsea will be having their men, Lavia, Caicedo, then Enzo Fernandez as their three-man midfield. Nyame Aduma, free weekend, we konina. Yebe say Chelsea pretty in that particular midfield. Then Abu, Neymar Dos Santos Jr. Enra, any a Bibia Kosi, say Neymar, was signed documents. Was signed Bibia so by Al Hilal player. Now, the 10 years say Neymar, Eba Kopiemu was Saudi Arabia on Friday. Despite the contract has been signed, Bibia to me, ya de ogun krata for Bibia. Neymar beko Saudi Arabia on Friday. Friday ni yebe ina kire Al Hilal supporters nyina. Amobia hunu se Neymar nie. Maba na abu sikasem ne de. Ebura dwene nti ase so bi go we Neymar pa na. Al Hilal win match bia na Neymar benya €80,000.
Omo win match bia.
Neymar benya €80,000.
Hey.
Anna opposite bibia about Al Hilal on the social media handle. Say or the promote Saudi Arabia and I say once they will visit Rwanda, visit to opposite bibia about Saudi Arabia, say betimi aboma obi ehunu Saudi Arabia no near 500,000 euros.
Wow.
On the social media handle.
Hey. Adimebao. Nyam watch na. There is a deal na be official. But on one case
be ko Saudi Arabia Friday.
And no na eze o makofa nyuntufo ne.
Amakofa nyuntufo nyina de o maba. Oma name a private jet a baby opeso ko bi obetimi da. Koma sama ne full mansion amano. Servant on be serving the fuel.
Wow.
It's Neymar dos Santos ko kwa Hilal na nyebete.
But I saw more share ya that once na anye we no. Is almost face na nkaza ni.
Almost face na nkaza.
Cristiano Ronaldo no.
On se na nko Cristiano Ronaldo na nko Hilal no ko na say.
Yes.
Messi wa ma despite the amount of money on the call. Kylian Mbappe 300 million euros no mo de buy and say nko mo 1 year ni pe na nko no. Eno na amfa. Now Neymar comes in it be bia na was some of those players ni bia no. Eno a ana mo push do na de ama Neymar in different stages. Itiabu by Friday, we'll see Neymar or Saudi Arabia. Say Omu Yino, Eddie Natural. Renato Sanchez, Paris AS Roma on loan with an option to buy. Nabu, the whole contract in the Munier. Renato Sanchez loan fee near 1 million euros to AS Roma. But the option to buy him, no, Edina said about 60% of games the AS Roma. Abu also Mutimi trigger 15 million euros. At the signing Renato Sanchez, a man a permanent move. At the moment at the end of the day, now or no, a can or cow. It's just a Mourinho near break. Sir Renato Sanchez loan deal no. Also, in this situation, you need to know share contract no 60%.
Yes.
It was me about 60% of games now. Renato Sanchez, a official player at the Amomo. And only because Zaniolo, Aston Villa, triggered this move because of Emiliano Buendia issue. No?
Oh, okay.
Buendia Akunya ACL. And the pushy ya mama kofa Zaniolo so a person wa the English Premier League looking at the face of it the impact any nyome wo mo mema wiase afa na nyina de hunu nti no ma Galatasaray deal no omo de tunche ti Abu Dhabi Zaniolo such as you said earlier on no wa ba be piemu e wo Aston Villa na Amadou Onana yeti asem we ba Amadou Onana Manchester United ni abrecho mbese Amadou Onana
so when Bama I'm about a cousin.
Manchester United is looking forward to sign 2 midfielders.
Oh, okay.
Now, 2 midfielders are dependent on Fred, Van der Beek, and Scott McTominay. So, movie. But the first one, and priority was about Fred. A movie on Tomunya Mabat. I agree personal terms already. They are looking for Van der Beek. The negotiations with Real Sociedad never possible. The only difference between Man United and Van der Beek issues, and I say Real Sociedad issue, I say Man United now come up a permanent transfer for Van der Beek to Real Sociedad. And Real Sociedad so make me loan with an option to buy. Loan with an option to buy. No discussions are keeping your man long and so say why they treat salary they can see and why they treat ketwa. If Manchester United will have to move them on, and we are West Scott McTominay say Manchester City at Tom Paqueta. There's a likelihood says come on women film 2 players na West Ham de beto Kudus and Scott McTominay. It almost relax over say then obeko. But Amadou Onana de no omanya brace and kanimenu ya common fan but here a certain level of physicality will view. But the main issue here said the first phase of build up after another game has also become an issue. But there is a friendly match between Manchester United and Everton behind closed doors.
Oh, okay.
Omo game ni bi enrano. Omo ni Everton players ne bebo. No mo we are. Yet it say Manchester United offer mo de Everton here say players bring and Omo United mu a Everton nya omo ye den. Omo pe. Because when you say Everton here players. So if Everton decides that yepe Hannibal Medbury, yepe Scott McTominay, yepe player we are, on be calculating no more their so and they will use it as a leverage to discuss a deal for Amadou Onana. It after a friendly game no. Umo said there will be developments, quite development. Maybe say Everton pe play away for Manchester United. Manchester United will try and use that particular player as a leverage to get Amadou Onana. They will test the waters. If they could survive, they will do that deal and do Amrabat deal no as soon as possible. Said the bear and Yoma Betty Marcos. But Abu, yet it is Sembi. Matheus Nunes. Liverpool person more approach it. The 10 years officially Liverpool go Vanton Wanderers.
Official will be unreal.
Omunko official will be uncle. They are only trying to explore. Speaking to Abrante when the agency no to talk to him and understand the situation around Boy and Ankasa. Then I want on the contract and to say Wolves dear the woman. Now I don't know Abu Dhabi or didn't come on or money suspect a front to round. Say Omusabit because my too desperate. They need a DM. They need midfielders. Chelsea for Bubu, put Omobu Kojoto. Omobu Liverpool Kojoto. Flawless victory. Now, Kefran to Ram, no, when you are person more than a banner, ya think Komobi or Portugal, Abu Dhabi. This we heard here, or more Henderson, a baby replacement for Henderson. So, no matter the defensive midfielder they'll buy this we heard because on only a replacement for. But in common, I yet say you could pay more Portugal. Ya they are so tough for no. Obia submitted bid £25.8 million to Benfica. Obia submitted bid £25.8 million for Benfica. Omo de kwa na Benfica tam paper no mo no de to paper mi say suro. Se Florentino Luis ne bo onye sa. Ni ehwehwe mu na no Liverpool na kofa atire kwa yes abid ni bi.
Liverpool na san fa echa ko di sa.
Yes.
Is your mu show chairs for ni to mu din common is here.
Said your moye Kaiser no dey notice on maybe.
Dabi.
After 7 ne kwa na yete. What I say? Omo try say they will try and move beneath. And this time around, though, Liverpool are very much cautious in terms of leaks. But it's at the 10, also Portugal for one day, any Spain for no, any Italy for no. Who could you do when Fanti to any Germany? I don't know if you studied it. So what you do with Italy? Sporting directors, no more fan your man to take.
Yes.
Obeka. Who could you do with Spain? Unya honestly, you know, Mutibom Nibabu, or could you see Obeka? Baminic for this bibi omekwa bia omanona
omoba no ma be chichiro ombeka. Then you go to Portugal where agents and clubs there no omo so anona ebe PSC a ojogo mu ne abola mu be yi abasisi omo de ba ko di nkomo and abu no mu nim say mystery by Florentino Luis there ne namase but he's a signing if Liverpool should push forward for ebe timi abo mo Manchester City prepare a new bid for Lucas Paqueta abu from £60 million in the City. Episode mo try no mo tum, and one person mo leverage on the interest of West Ham in Kopama. By the close of next 48 hours, Abu City and the new bid beko for Paqueta. Now, omode kono inkomodi de ombedi ni say even if they are going to sell Kopama to West Ham, omode buy back Bishop. To say the omuye Romeo Lavia de no to Southampton. Even if ombe ton Kopama permanently. Omo the buyback bishop anyesa a loan and omo the bema West Ham then they will pay for Paqueta na eno na so mu twa wie na Jeremy Doku City eni abrace Jeremy Doku na be replacement for Riyad Mahrez. Jeremy
Doku currently what City is doing here is City nkwore na ho City ni boy ni din ko one person mo settle on personal terms omo agree as City main target akamienu no Jeremy Doku and Lucas Paqueta. They are done, they will move on. Inter Milan, and Marco Anatovic from Bologna, and Obama a kind of for 10 million euros. It's Marco Anatovic will join them. Then Mohamed Kudus, West Ham, and in the entourage, they didn't come. And Commodity and the Chama, Kudus, and an Adriamo, say, so much me finding an agreement with Ayasa, Obama a kind of moment. Kudus sees this as a better opportunity than what Brighton would have given him. What the style of play to change? Now, what the coach on the 100 to change? Kudus, if he said, now Brighton demanded a lot from him in terms of no maybe on franchise contract. Once Brighton have because of their model or no model year, Abu. So now we play and I was signing they put a lot of things into that particular contract for you. So that they are tied at your back and they will demand whatever fee that they want. Kudus is so pennies, so Kudus here quite relaxed and is waiting for West Ham. West Ham, enya ton Paqueta na. Don't be surprised. An official bid will go in. But as to say Ajax will accept. Already there has been a first business between West Ham and Ajax. Eko Smooth, Alvarez. It's almost heard him say almost Abeka Mohamed Kudus and Abu Mohamed Kudus na nkasa huni say are you good. But this is the situation now, Abu Ekoso. Who say referees no move no. Next week, Mundi games.
Amamukodi match.
Oh, cool.
Are then aba.
PGM MOL for na catch almost say situation e course no no man e course so e ma wona na penalty no mo ntimi anje no.
As a born
penalty. But there's one thing about the Premier League that I want us to really understand. This is a penalty. This is a clear penalty. Abu, this is a clear penalty. This is a clear penalty. When you're born, or pray no go. But this is the EPL where clubs suffer. And another day, no, near Kwakoji penalty, they are moving for. A common one, fine. And common one, fine. I've seen people talk, and I'm telling you this particular EPL. There were instances last season, and I was a Manchester United, penalties, Bebo, they were.
Penalty.
It's a clear penalty.
Why?